Our top focus is on Capital Showdown. Just one more day before campaigning ends in Delhi, and the big guns hit the campaign trail today. It was Prime Minister Narendra Modi versus a star campaigner of the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi. And Modi addressed his fourth and last rally for the assembly polls in South Delhi. Rahul was busy with a mega roadshow in Old Delhi. In his rally, Modi targeted the lies and falsehoods, he said, that were being spread by the opposition and sought votes from Delhi on the basis of development. He also accused the opposition of provoking residents from the northeast on the immigrant row.
जनता बहुत समझदार है। जनता झूठे भ्रम वादे अपप्रचार ये कभी जनता के गले नहीं उतरते हैं। और जो अपने आप को नेक दिल बताते थे, ईमानदार बताते थे, उनका कच्चा चिट्ठा खुल गया भाइयों। किस प्रकार के लोग हैं, बातें कैसी करते और कारनामे कैसे करते हैं। भाइयों बहनों, जनता जनार्दन अगर कोई एकांत बार गलती कर दे तो माफ कर देती है, लेकिन अगर लोग जनता को अगर मूर्ख मान ले और अपनी रोजी रोटी चलाने की कोशिश करे तो बार बार वो नहीं चल सकती है। मैं देख रहा हूं 2 दिन से हमारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के भाइयों बहनों को भड़काने के लिए प्रयास हो रहे हैं। पार्टी ने कहा है कि जो शब्द लिखा गया गलत था। पार्टी ने अपनी गलती मान ली है, लेकिन देश का एकता और अखंडता के साथ खिलवाड़ नहीं होना चाहिए। और मैं मेरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के भाइयों को कहना चाहता हूं, मैं अभी आपके इलाके में आया था, नागालैंड, मिजोरम, मैं लोगों से मिला हूं, मणिपुर आया था, असम आया था, और मैंने ठान के रखी है हिंदुस्तान में नॉर्थ ईस्ट का विकास पिछले 60 साल में नहीं हुआ है, उससे ज्यादा कर करके मैं देने वाला हूं। ये मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाने आया हूं भाई। लेकिन मेहरबानी करके अपने राजनीतिक उल्लू सीधा करने के लिए देश की एकता को तोड़ना नहीं चाहिए।
Let's get now word from our deputy editor Brijesh Pandey, who's with us live from the national capital this evening. Brijesh, poll fever reaching an all-time high in the national capital. 24 hours to go before campaigning ends. 36 hours before Delhi starts voting. Prime Minister Modi today reaching out to people from the northeast, saying that it was a typo when the BJP in its vision document called people from the northeast immigrants. The nervousness in the BJP camp also evident when Modi asked Delhiites if they were upset for him and asked why they weren't turning up in large enough numbers for his rallies.
No, but basically the quip was about a particular rally. When he attended the Dwarka rally, he said that the turnout was so huge that he was forced to ask the organizer that, you know, when I was contesting elections, Lok Sabha elections, why did you not make sure that we had this kind of huge turnout? You know, the big takeaway from this particular rally done by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the fact that today he was at pains to dismiss all the kind of rumors which emanated when the vision document of BJP was released and the people from Northeast were referred to as immigrants. He tried to dispel any myths about, he tried to dispel all notions about the fact that BJP considers them an immigrant, and he termed it as blame it on a typo. Apart from that, he explained the crowd to a great detail about how various opinion polls and other factors which are emerging out in the media is something which they should not pay any heed to, and they should vote with their heart out. Clearly the Prime Minister is what looked like today more in a salvage mode rather than an attacking mode, and today he did not attack or launch that kind of scathing attack which he did in the last 3 rallies when it came to Aam Aadmi Party or Congress. Simi?
Absolutely, Brijesh, but he did refer to the Aam Aadmi Party and said that Delhi will not forgive what happened to them in 2013.
Well, absolutely. I mean, that was a customary reference. It was a political rally. So obviously he had to attack Aam Aadmi Party. But if you compare his last 3 rallies where he went hammer and tongs against Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party in Congress, today that attack was far more subdued than what we had witnessed in the last 3 rallies. Yesterday he ripped apart the Aam Aadmi Party by saying that, you know, that these are the people who always carry numbers of Swiss bank accounts of other political persons. But when somebody was making an anonymous donation, they had no clue about it, and so on and so forth. So he made several attacks in the last 3 rally, but this rally it was far more subdued. Simi?
Right, Brijesh, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back.